Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch X5i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So let's get started. And before we continue, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Honor Health application, this icon. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Honor Health application, tap on device. For now, let's tap on cancel. And right here, you should see your Honor Watch X5i. Select it, then scroll down and look for the notification option and tap on it. And here, as you can see, we can turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see some pop-ups. Allow them. And if you see this one, tap on enable. It will direct you to this page. And here you need to scroll through the page, look for the Honor Health application, tap on it, and then tap on the switch next to allow notification access, then tap on allow. And once you allow it, you can go back by tapping on back arrow. And as you can see, we also have some other permissions. Tap on all the time. And now the notifications should be enabled. And you can basically scroll through the list of apps, turn on and off notifications for different applications. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for, I don't know, maybe All Health application, and you receive the notification from All Health on your phone, that notification also will be displayed on your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be displayed on your watch. You will see it only on your phone. So you customize which notifications you want to see on your watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can go back. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm going to send myself a message on Discord and we're going to test it. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch. And it is here, so it is working. And basically, that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.